Although drinking raw garlic juice at first may not sound like the most pleasant beverage to consume, there is a number of ways we can add it to different recipes in order to obtain the amazing benefits of this juice. Also, a little bit of garlic juice goes a long way in promoting our overall health, so you do not need to consume it in large quantities to get its tremendous benefits. For instance, you can add about 1 tablespoon of garlic juice to different smoothies, shakes, soups, or other recipes to enhance their flavor and nutritional value. Try to use organic garlic if possible, and be sure to peel the skin from the cloves and wash thoroughly before juicing. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming garlic juice regularly. First, garlic juice is loaded with important vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients that can improve our overall health. Garlic is especially well known for a healthy sulfur compound called allicin that provides many health benefits and medicinal properties. Garlic juice is a great way to obtain this compound. As well, garlic is an excellent source of other important nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, manganese, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, and iron to name a few. Garlic juice also contains important amino acids and antioxidants to promote our overall health. Consuming garlic juice regularly is also a great way to naturally boost our immune system and protect against common cold and flu symptoms, especially in the colder winter months. This is largely attributed to garlic's incredible antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. All of these compounds help garlic juice to not just boost the immune system, but also reduce the risk of disease and infections. The vitamin C and allicin is also important for our immune system. Garlic juice can also help to boost the health of our heart in many different ways and can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Studies have found that consuming garlic juice can help to lower both total cholesterol levels and bad LDL cholesterol levels, which could lead to heart disease and heart health complications. The great levels of allicin found in garlic juice can also help to lower blood pressure and help those individuals suffering from hypertension. Even more, garlic juice can help to enhance circulation and reduce plaque buildup in the arteries, which can promote the overall health of our blood vessels. It can also help to improve the overall health of our skin and help it to look more young and radiant. This is often attributed to the wonderful amounts of healthy antioxidants that garlic juice contains. These powerful and potent antioxidants can help to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and signs of premature aging. Garlic juice can also help to prevent certain inflammatory conditions that can negatively affect the skin while also reducing certain skin infections. The vitamin C found in garlic is also important for promoting the health of our skin. Lastly, surprising to some, but consuming raw garlic juice regularly can also help to promote weight loss while also promoting healthy weight management. This is largely attributed to the powerful active ingredient allicin found in garlic juice. Studies have shown that allicin and other compounds in garlic juice can help to reduce the levels of unhealthy fats in the body. Perhaps even more important for weight loss and weight management, garlic juice can help to naturally boost metabolism, which can lead to more calories being burned throughout the day, leading to weight loss. Before consuming garlic juice, always discuss with your medical practitioner to make sure it is right for you and the correct dosages for your own personal needs. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.